said luxury vans were all the same, but when I saw the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine, I was completely impressed. This isn't just a van, this is a statement of elegance, power, and next-level automotive craftsmanship. From the moment you see the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine, its presence is undeniable. The pearl metallic white paint shimmers under natural light, reflecting its surroundings with a polished, glossy finish that instantly communicates sophistication. This is a van that doesn't hide in traffic. It commands attention. The front grille, finished in silver with the GMC red logo, stands out prominently, creating a signature look that combines elegance with authority. Every line and curve on the front fascia has been meticulously designed to balance aggression with refinement. The LED headlights are nothing short of spectacular. When fully on, they provide a crisp, bright illumination that cuts through the darkest streets, enhancing both visibility and the van's road presence. The sharp, modern design of the lights emphasizes the front end, creating a bold first impression. These lights are not merely decorative, they integrate cutting-edge technology to maximize safety and aesthetic appeal simultaneously. Looking at the side profile, the van's length and streamlined shape are immediately noticeable. The elongated body exudes luxury, while also offering ample interior space, perfect for passengers who value comfort. The stylish black rims and full tires complement the pearl white exterior, giving the van a grounded yet sophisticated stance. The side panels are smooth, with subtle design lines that add depth and elegance without overwhelming the overall look. Every door, handle, and trim piece has been designed with precision, reinforcing the van's premium feel. From a functional standpoint, the side windows are large and tinted, providing privacy while maintaining visibility. Passengers inside enjoy an unobstructed view of the surroundings, while the exterior design maintains a sleek, uninterrupted flow. The craftsmanship extends to the doors, which open and close smoothly, showcasing attention to detail in engineering and build quality. The side mirrors, finished with chrome accents, not only enhance the aesthetics, but also provide excellent visibility for the driver. Turning to the rear and backside view, the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine continues to impress. The back LED lights are fully on, illuminating bright red that signals safety and luxury simultaneously. The rear features the iconic GMC red logo, perfectly centered and polished to catch the eye. The tailgate and rear panels are sculpted to complement the van's length, adding a sense of balance and completeness to the design. Reflections from the pearl metallic white paint highlight the curves and contours, reinforcing the limousine's high-end appeal. Functionality meets luxury with the rear design. The cargo and passenger access areas are intelligently laid out, ensuring convenience for loading luggage or stepping in and out. The rear bumper integrates seamlessly into the design, with subtle accents that do not disrupt the clean lines. Every element of the back, from the lights to the trim, communicates thoughtful design and high-quality manufacturing. Inside the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine, the luxury truly comes alive. The cabin has been designed to prioritize passenger comfort and sophistication. Plush seating, upholstered in high-quality materials, offers an inviting space for extended journeys. Each seat is ergonomically designed, providing both support and relaxation. Ample legroom and headroom ensure that every passenger enjoys a spacious, comfortable environment, making long rides effortless. Technology is at the heart of the interior experience. The van comes equipped with a high-end infotainment system, multiple touchscreens, and connectivity options to keep passengers entertained and productive. Ambient lighting complements the interior design, allowing passengers to adjust brightness and color to suit their mood. Climate control is precise and customizable, ensuring that the cabin remains comfortable regardless of external weather conditions. Storage and convenience features are thoughtfully integrated. Cup holders, compartments, and charging ports are strategically placed for accessibility without compromising the sleek interior design. The limousine also offers advanced sound insulation, minimizing road noise and providing a serene environment even on busy streets. Passengers can enjoy a quiet, refined ride that underscores the van's luxury credentials. Safety is a critical aspect of the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine. The van is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. The LED headlights and taillights not only enhance visibility, but also contribute to safer driving in all conditions. Structural integrity and crash protection have been engineered to high standards, providing peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Performance-wise, the Savana Limousine does not disappoint. The engine delivers smooth, powerful acceleration, allowing effortless merging and highway cruising. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride even over long distances. Steering is precise, offering confidence in handling while maintaining a composed and quiet cabin experience. The van's versatility is another highlight. Despite its limousine length and luxurious focus, it remains maneuverable in urban environments. Parking and navigation are assisted by advanced sensors and cameras, which help in tight spaces without compromising style or elegance. The design balances size, luxury, and usability with remarkable success. Exterior detailing reinforces the premium nature of the vehicle. The chrome accents on handles, mirrors, and trims blend seamlessly with the pearl white paint, reflecting light in subtle, eye-catching ways. The black stylish rims with high-quality tires not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve traction and ride stability. Every element, from the front grille to the rear lights, has been carefully considered to convey a sense of luxury and exclusivity. For those concerned with presence and prestige, the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine is unmatched. Arriving in this van immediately communicates status, attention to detail, and an appreciation for comfort and technology. Whether parked in front of a luxury hotel or cruising through city streets, it attracts admiration and respect, standing out among standard vehicles with its elegant design and commanding presence. In terms of customization and personalization, the Savana Limousine offers multiple options for interiors, trims, and finishes. Passengers can enjoy bespoke configurations that include entertainment suites, additional comfort features, or business-focused layouts, making it adaptable for professional, personal, or leisure use. Every inch of the vehicle reflects thoughtfulness in design, providing a premium experience tailored to the owner's preferences. Environmental and efficiency considerations are not overlooked. The engine and transmission systems are designed for a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making long-distance travel both practical and luxurious. Advanced climate systems, lighting, and electronics are engineered to minimize unnecessary energy consumption, reinforcing the van's modern engineering ethos. The luxury fleet potential of the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine is significant. For corporate executives, VIP transport, or private chauffeuring, the van provides unmatched elegance, comfort, and reliability. Its spacious interior accommodates multiple passengers without compromising privacy, and its technology ensures that connectivity and comfort are maintained throughout every journey. In conclusion, the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine van is more than a luxury van. It is a mobile sanctuary of sophistication, power, and advanced engineering. From its pearl metallic white paint to fully functional front and back LED lights, from the polished GMC logos to the stylish black rims, every detail has been meticulously crafted. Its interior combines comfort, technology, and convenience to provide an exceptional passenger experience. Safety, performance, and elegance coexist seamlessly, making this limousine van an extraordinary offering in the automotive market. For anyone seeking a luxury van that combines prestige, comfort, and advanced features, the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine is the ultimate choice. It is a statement vehicle that elevates travel into a truly refined experience. Whether for personal use, executive transport, or luxury fleet purposes, it delivers on every promise of high-end automotive excellence, ensuring that every journey is smooth, elegant, and unforgettable.